Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 5 to the power of n equals n to the power of 65. We are solving for all values of n that satisfy this equation. Now, what we are going to do first will be to eliminate this n we have here. Let's ensure that all the variables are on one part of the equation and all the numbers are on the other part of the equation. So to eliminate this n here, the exponent, we multiply the exponent by 1 over n. So I have 5 power n. This is raised to the power of 1 over n equals n power 625. And this is raised to the power of 1 over n. Now, let's apply this index law. If you have a power x raised to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So we multiply this exponent. So right now, we are going to multiply this and multiply this as well. This will give us 5 power, this is n over n equals n power 625 times 1. That is 625, and this is divided by n. So from here, you need to know that n divided by n is 1. I have 5 to the power of 1 equals n power, this is 625 divided by n. Now, like what we said earlier on, I need only the variables to be here, so I need to eliminate this 625. And to achieve that, I can multiply the exponent by 1 over 625. So, I will simply have 5 power 1. Then, this will be 1 over 625 equals n power 625 divided by n. And this also will be 1 over 625 because I'm trying to eliminate this 625. So when I multiply these two exponents, this eliminate this. So what I'm going to have left is simply 5 to the power of 1 over 625 equals n to the power of 1 over n. So the next step will be to ensure that the 5 and the 625 are the same, just like what we have here, the n and the n here are the same. So the 5 and the 625 are the same. We need to ensure that. So this is what we are going to do to achieve this. I can express this as 5 to the power of 1 times 1 over 625. And this equals n power 1 over n. Remember, 1 times 1 over 625 is the same as 1 over 625. So I'm replacing this one here with the equivalent fraction of 5 over 5. 5 over 5 is 1. And in trying to make sure that this base and this one are the same, I replace this 5 over 5 with 1. So I will have 5 to the power of 1. This is 5 over 5 times 1 over 625 equals n power 1 over n. So the next step will be to multiply this out. I have 5 to the power of 5 times 1. 5 divided by 5 times 625. Of 625 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12 to carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1, we have 31. That is 3125. We have 3125 equals n power 1 over n. So what we are going to do will be to factor out 5 from here. Our 5 power, this is 5 times 1 over 3125 equals n power 1 over n. Now, if you have a power x times y, this equals a power x to the power of y. Applying this right here, I have 5 power 5. This is raised to the power of 1 over 3125. And this equals n power 1 over n. So right now, we need to find the value of 5 power 5. That is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 raised to the power of 1 over 3125 equals n power 1 over n. So from here, this is 25. This is 125. 125 times 5, this is 625. 625 times 5, this is 3125 raised to the power of 1 over 3125 equals n power 1 over n. So, what we are going to do again will be, if you have 1 over x, and this equals, or if you have x power 1 over x, and this equals a power 1 over a, the x and the x here are the same, the a and the a here are the same, we can easily compare them. I can have 1 over x equals 1 over a. So if I cross multiply a times 1, that is a, and x times 1, that is x. So, right here, I can also equate this 1 over 3125 equals 1 over n. I cross multiply n times 1. That is n equals 3125 times 1. That is 3125. So, our n is 3125. That means that is our solution. Let's verify this. N is 3125. 5 power 3125 equals 3125 power 625. Now, 5 power 3125 equals 3125 is actually 5 power 5, what we did earlier on. This is times 625 at the exponent. We need to multiply these two exponents. We have 5 power 3125 equals 5 power 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1, 31. This and this are the same. So, that is it. Our solution is correct. So, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.